Hello everyone, I'm Richard98FX from Teme, Ghana, and I am here today to show you the painful side of trading Forex and how I was able to overcome it using proper risk management. Now let's dive in. Let me be completely honest with you, I lost everything trading Forex, my entire account, gone in a single week. It was devastating. But that same loss, that rock bottom moment, taught me the single most important lesson that eventually made me 10 times richer. In this video, I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how I blew my account, the critical mistakes I made, and how I came back stronger than ever, so that you never have to make the same mistake. It all started like this. I had a small win, then another one, and I honestly thought I was unstoppable. The feeling was gut-wrenching. I was angry. I was embarrassed. I felt like a complete failure. I seriously considered giving up, just walking away from trading forever. I cycled through blaming the market, the broker, everything but myself. But as I sat there, staring at a zero balance, a profound realization hit me. The market wasn't my enemy, my own mindset was. My lack of discipline, my greed, my emotional decision-making ... That's what defeated me. I knew I had to make a change, so I took a break. A full 2 weeks, no charts, no trading, no market news. I just stepped away to clear my head. Instead of trying to find the next holy grail strategy, I studied what went wrong. I read books, watched interviews with professional traders, and dissected my own trading journal. And that's when I discovered the secret, the thing that separates the 95% who fail from the 5% who succeed. It's this: successful traders don't chase profits. They relentlessly manage their risks. This realization shifted my entire perspective. I created a new, non-negotiable set of rules for myself. First and foremost, I will only risk a maximum of 2% of my account on any single trade, no exceptions. If I lose that trade, it's a small, manageable loss, not a catastrophe. Second, if I lose 3 trades in a row, I'm done for the day. I close my laptop and walk away. This prevents revenge trading and spiraling losses. I stopped trying to get rich in a day and started focusing on a new goal: winning the week. Small, consistent gains were the new objective. Here's my new trading journal. As you can see, it's not just about wins and losses. It's about the plan, my execution, my emotional state for each trade. This became my roadmap, my source of accountability. It forced me to be disciplined. With this new plan and a renewed mindset, I started again. This time I funded my account with just $500. I had to prove to myself that the system worked, not the account size. I'll be honest, it wasn't easy. The urge to take bigger risks was still there, whispering in my ear. But I stuck to my plan, Recuperaquo. Trade after trade, I focused on execution, not the outcome. Small profits started to add up. A win here, a small loss there, but the key was that my wins were bigger than my losses and I was protecting my capital. That's when I truly understood. Forex isn't about how fast you can make money. It's not a lottery ticket. It's about how long you can stay in the game. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Your ability to manage risk and preserve your capital is what will ultimately determine your long-term success. It's about being a business owner, not a gambler. So, if I could boil it all down, here are the lessons that changed my life. First, risk management is far more important than your trading strategy. You can have the best strategy in the world, but without proper risk management, you will eventually fail. Second, emotional control is your real edge. The market is designed to trigger fear and greed. Staying disciplined and detached is your superpower. And third, winners don't quit, they adapt. If you lose money, and you will, don't see it as a failure. See it as tuition. It's the price of experience you pay to the market to learn these invaluable lessons. So, if you've lost money in Forex, if you've blown an account, please don't beat yourself up. You are not a failure. You are in training. You are learning. Every single successful trader I know was once a beginner who refused to give up. They faced setbacks. They lost money. But they learned from it and came back smarter. I'd love to build a community of real traders here. Drop a comment below if you've ever blown an account. Let's be real and support each other. There's no shame in it. And if you want me to do a detailed breakdown of the exact risk management plan I use to this day, comment risk below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for the next video, because the next one could save your trading career. See you soon.